Hello YouTube, Copper King Recycling, and today on the table I've got it's a little air compressor. Hook this up to your batteries, boom, boom, positive, negative, charge away. I already started taking it apart when I noticed something really weird. I thought this was just some steel plating, but then I noticed right there a little goldish color. I said, no way, this is where the compressor was attached to the base plate. So I flipped it over, took my little file, and said, is that copper? So this is a chrome plated copper plate. Pretty cool. Nice. So we're going to put that over there. Like I said, I already started taking it apart when I noticed that, and I said, oh, there's a bunch of magnets right there. I said, is that, oh, there's the magnet I'm looking for. I'm already using it. Just thought it was weird. So I stopped. I said, well, let's show the internet. This will not be, this is plastic. Going in the garbage. There's a speaker magnet. What in the world? Are you kidding me here? I don't know why all this is chrome plated. That's copper also. What in the world? Copper. Is that weird? So strange. Anywho, I thought I was just going for some cast aluminum here. Let's see. I'm sure these. That's not a good sign. I'm sure these cables are copper. We'll find out in a little bit. Screws over here. We may have to break that one. There's my cast aluminum. Some long little screws on it. It's all part of the compressor. It's going to be part of my well. See what else we can find in here. Some extruded aluminum. That's pretty cool. And screws. And pliers. Alright. Oh, plastic. With one screw that didn't want to come out. Two screws. Where are you? Donde el hammer. Garbage. Oh, switchy switch. Let's see who else wants to come out. These stupid caps on them. So we get it this time. You can grab it this time. Got it. Okay, fine. Let's cut that off. Snippity. Snip. Snip. That's part of the problem. Oh, a little fuse. What if we tapped it? Never so gently. There. Nope. Well, I'll go ahead and make this easy. Copper. Nice. Very nice. We'll go ahead and snippety these ends. Set that there for a minute, as everybody wants to know. Silver on silver. Boo. They're magnetic though. Well, let's just get out these screws. Got it. I got it. This side. Oh, good. The short screws. What the fuck? And cool. Oh, I know what's in here. It's just inside here will be a little silver, and everything else is chrome plated copper except the clamps. You are not. You are magnetic. Oh my. Oh, what's that in there, big guy? Oop. Let's see how you come apart. And we'll figure it out. Let me save some time. All right, so I've got it all taken apart, and let's see what I got. See, I got a couple little pieces of brass out of it. I got this big old magnet out of it. Of course, I've already dropped it. This is a normal size one I get. A little bit bigger, and that's how you break them, by dropping them on the floor. And then I took the armature all apart, got some of these little pieces out of it, these little pieces off the end here, took them all off. We'll just go ahead and start weighing up all this stuff. Put those in there. There's all the wires for the armature. And then the cord, that was a hefty piece right there. Really easy to clean. All right, 9.8 ounces. But that's not all. Because this was the outer casing. Let's see if I can find, there it is. Scraped it, copper. You go in there. Getting some weight on it now. Scrape these handle pieces. Copper. You go in there. Baseplate. Copper. You go in there. 3 pounds, 3.9 ounces. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's just remove all that. Not knock it over. Then, go ahead and tear this out. Got some cast aluminum here. Still got a piece of metal in it, but I will get that out. A piece of metal. A little over a pound of cast iron. keep saying the wrong thing. Cast aluminum, folks. It's cast aluminum. Cast aluminum. And then extruded aluminum. Not very heavy. But I even got some silver tabs out of there. A couple little switches. So not bad. A couple pounds of copper. Shiny, 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 shiny copper. Very nice. Some aluminum. And a little bit of brass. Nice little meal. Of course, steel. Steel is your friend. Not a bad little haul. Thanks for watching.